What's the name of this flower again?
Eastern Hollyhock.
Eastern Hollyhock. Yes.
Very healthy.
And very healthy to the skin too, yeah. What a beautiful day! Hey, Berna has a flower. Look at that. Look at the flower. And the flower's called a
Eastern
Holly.
We call this Eastern
Hollyhock.
Hollyhock.
And she's going to turn me into a rooster. Yes, it's an old traditional thing she did when she was in Gaziantep. Yes, okay. So what we're going to do?
Could you please hold?
Hold, yeah.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready to look rooster?
Gotta take my glasses off. Yes.
Yes, no.
Rooster.
Could you please hold, honey?
Yeah. How did you come up with this idea? Yeah, rooster.
No. No.
It's like a glue.
No.
Yeah. All right. Yeah.
Have you even?
No,
seen?
no, I've never seen this before. It's very sticky, like
Funny,
glue.
funny, very funny. Those times. Let me.
No, I'm a rooster. Yes.
And.
So you get the leaf like this, see? And you separate it. That's very, I see.
Yes, please.
So yeah, you got the leaf?
No?
Oh, cock-a-doodle! Cock-a-doodle! So you got the leaf like this, and then you separate it here. Aha! Look, look. See, can you see that? Now you can see that. Oh, yeah. Did you do this when you were a child?
When I was a child, yes. Our favorite.
One of the most favourite things you did when you were a child in Gaziantep. She had 3 other sisters, and so
Cousins.
Or cousins, and there was nothing else to do in those days. We didn't have computers or games or nothing like that, so everything.
Better.
It was better because the families got together and they got very creative and they.
Those times better.
Much better, yes. Families were a lot closer. They did things together and supported each other. Yes, very important. And now, I'm getting bits of flour stuck to me. Look at that!
Ali Baba'nın bir çiftliği.
Cock-a-doodle!
I have never seen a rooster with whiskers.
Oh, no.
And glasses.
And glasses. Actually, I saw chicken glasses being sold. Yeah, they're antique chicken glasses. See everybody. What's the name of this flower again?
Eastern Hollyhock.
Eastern Hollyhock. Yes.
And very healthy.
And very healthy to the skin too, yeah. Can you eat the leaves?
No.
No.
But juice.
Can you add it with drinks and stuff?
Need to be careful.
Okay. Do not eat or drink.
Poison. Some
Gotta be careful.
People, yes,
Gotta be very careful because there's a lot of flowers out there
poison.
that are poisonous. Yes. See everybody. Have a book of chocolates out.